At Concurrent Technologies Corporation, our work is deeply personal. Through applied research and development, we deliver advanced capabilities that strengthen national defense and directly support the men and women who serve our country. As an independent nonprofit, we provide objective results and impartial assessments, always prioritizing the needs of our clients. Our experts in digital mission solutions, energy, resilience, and sustainability, engineering and advanced manufacturing, and readiness solutions collaborate daily, amplifying each other's expertise to solve the nation's toughest challenges. Together with our technology transition partner, Enterprise Ventures Corporation, we ensure that groundbreaking technology moves swiftly from concept to implementation, delivering solutions that span the entire life cycle. Why is what we do so personal? Many of our team members are veterans, reservists, or have family members in uniform, and CTC's projects honor their commitment by enhancing the safety and success of those who serve. We're also dedicated to the communities where we live and work, investing in initiatives that create lasting change and improve lives. From advancing the entire nation's security to uplifting local communities, our contributions are driven by our personal commitment to meaningful impact. Concurrent Technologies Corporation, we make the world safer and more productive.